I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander. Fluffy pancakes in my PJs is my kind of Sunday morning. Fluffy pancakes studded with fresh blueberries. Cue next level excitement. Hand me the maple syrup and a fork, and don't judge my pancake consumption. Okay, so I don't know why I'm holding this and swinging it around. So I have been preheating my pan over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. You really want your pan hot before you go ahead and put your pancakes on. I'm going to add just a little bit of butter. The first time around, you're gonna wanna add a little bit more butter than you would afterwards, but probably about half a tablespoon or so. Just let that guy melt so you have a nice greased pan. It's always better to have a nonstick pan if possible. And then I'm gonna take a 1/2 cup measure and I'm just gonna scoop about a 1/2 cup of batter. It's okay if it's a little too much, or if you wanna make them smaller, bigger, it doesn't matter. Put that batter right into your pan, just like that. And then you're gonna let the pancake go on side one for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's golden brown on the first side, you're gonna flip it 1 to 2 more minutes on the other side. Come check this out. So you can see, even just after a few minutes of just letting your batter sit, all these bubbles start to form and the actual batter starts to rise a little bit and get nice and puffy. That's what you want. Look at this beauty. I mean, come on. For a first pancake of the batch, it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna pop this guy in a warm oven. I have it set to about 200 degrees. It'll just keep our pancakes warm while we do the consecutive batches. So all you have to do is just add a little bit more butter to your pan. You can use an oil instead of a butter, by the way, if you want to. And then keep going, 1/2 cup. Do I even need to comment? Look at this! No more talking. I've had enough. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it.